by a company called Death by Audio, who are responsible for making a lot of sonically unconventional pedals, and the Fuzz War is no exception. Fun fact, Death by Audio also designs arcade game cabinets, so that's kind of cool. Right off the website, it is the meanest, nastiest, balls-out distortion to make you ruler of the fuzz universe. Diecast housing, which a lot of pedals like this are made out of. So it's rugged and doesn't weigh a lot. An input and an output, and you can supply either 9-volt power through a battery, or what I would recommend actually is going externally. It's got 3 control knobs. The original version of this pedal actually just had the 2 control knobs, so it didn't have a volume knob on it. And the volume knob does exactly what it's supposed to. You can use it as a pedal volume. But what happens is when you're plugged into here and you turn the volume all the way down, you are not going to have any signal. 12 o'clock halfway is basically where the original pedal lived. So if you have one of these without a volume knob on it, essentially just think about it as at 12 o'clock. And then there's the fuzz control, which at the lower settings just gives you a nice kind of mean, gritty fuzz, basic fuzz. And the more you go up that, so the more you go farther into it, you start getting into the distortion territory. Still gonna have fuzz, it's still gonna be a very fuzzy distortion, but you actually get a little more gain than you do back here. And then there's the tone control, which is actually the one that makes this pedal very unique to other fuzz pedals, because it really is an aggressive sounding fuzz pedal. The tone knob gives you a little notch in frequency where it will emphasize anything from the higher mids, the upper mids, all the way up to the treble. Fuzz pedal because I'm actually a bass player mostly, but I recently just got a little bit more into guitar, so I wanted a fuzz pedal. But I chose this particular fuzz pedal because I'm a massive Slipknot fan, and I was watching a rig rundown by Premier Guitar, and they were doing one for Slipknot, and Mick Thompson from Slipknot happened to have this in his rig. And so that kind of turned me onto this pedal, and then when I heard it for the first time, I was like, absolutely, that needs to be in my rig. Is not for people just looking for a basic fuzz, meaning if you are looking for a nice 70s rock style fuzz, or if you're looking for something like Red Hot Chili Peppers, or you're looking for something that you can control easily, something that you can have on a lot of the time, then this pedal might not be for you. Because even in the tamest settings, you're still getting an aggressive fuzz tone. Metal players, of course, this is going to be fantastic for them. Onto your pedal board, so something that's just gonna screw everything up or take it over the top, this thing is fantastic for that. This thing comes on for extra aggression, it comes on for character, it comes on for extreme feedback, that kind of thing. Something that is essentially boosting, my overdrive is going to be boosting my signal, and I want to take that, just run it all over the top, then this pedal is what comes on. Questions on the Fuzz War itself, ask down below. Remember, there's going to be other videos either coming or already out where we're going to be doing more conventional stuff on a guitar with this unconventional pedal, and then there's also going to be the bass guitar video. And for my long-term viewers, if you guys are wondering what all this guitar stuff is about, don't worry, we are doing more bass videos. As you can see, I've got the bass rig mic'd up right now, so we're already starting some stuff right there. Don't worry, don't unsubscribe. This isn't becoming a guitar channel or anything like that. Probably going to do some stuff where we're doing both, but don't be nervous, it's going to be awesome. So if you haven't already, please subscribe, comment down below. Thank you guys very, very much for watching. I will catch you guys next time.